Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually doing my very first video. Well, not my very first video, but it's my very first video I've done myself. I have done YouTube videos with my brother. Our channel is called Funtime Clubhouse, so you definitely want to go check that out. We do lots of fun challenges and stuff. So anyways, my channel name is called NYF Project, and I'll be doing a lot of stuff. I might have some special guests over or something, and just, have fun with you guys. And I will be doing a lot of DIYs, and stuff like that. So today I'm going to be showing you a few DIY back to school projects that you can make it yourself. You should have all these things in your house if you love to make crafts, or you just sometimes need them to do stuff. So these are very simple DIYs, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get right into it. So for the first DIY, you will need a plain notebook, 2 pieces of paper, or you could just use cardstock, but I'm going to be using 2 pieces of white paper, a Sharpie, a glue stick, something to trace with. I'm going to be using this heart-shaped one, and a pair of scissors to trim anything if needed. So you won't be able to see my face, but you can see how I'm making this clearly. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to glue these 2 pieces together with my glue stick. Okay, so just do this. Then it's gonna glue on. So you want to make sure this is very how do I say this? Lined up, yeah. So I'm just gonna do that. Then I'm gonna put it on this journal, just like that. So I'm gonna have to mark the places that needs to be cutted. So let's do this. So actually, I'm gonna first glue this on, so I'll make it easier. Okay, and just gonna line that up. So I'm gonna cover all that bad looking part, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to flip this over and just trim any extra part, and so you're just going to trim this part, and voila. And then I will show you the next step. Of course, you can also cover this back, but I'm just going to be covering the front part because the back is kind of pretty. So let me go do that real quick. Alright, I am done trimming. So next step, I'm just going to place this little heart right in the middle. You might hear some commotion in the background because I have my brother and they're watching TV, so sorry about that. But anyways, I'm just gonna start with little dots that are together, and then I'm just gonna keep on doing this, so that will make a very pretty way. Alright, so, okay. Alright, and I'm just going to keep doing that, and I'm going to fast forward this video so you can see the next step. just going to add in a few more details. Okay. And you are done. You have a very nice notebook that is completely transformed. This is an amazing DIY. Okay, I know I told you guys next step, but then I realized there's no next step. Actually, you could like use some duct tape or washi tape and just kind of cover this spine up, but like I told you, I like it this way. So you are done with your very first DIY. I just completely love it. It's amazing and it's so pretty. Of course, you don't have to use a Goldie Sharpie, but I did because I thought that's just very pretty. So you can also make the heart bigger, and you can do it any shape you want. But I like this heart, and I just love this DIY. Next project, we will be only needing three things. We will need this. I forgot what this is called, but it's furry, it's really soft, and you can like shape it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys know what that is. You'll need a pencil. I'm choosing this confetti pencil and a pair of scissors. So the first step is to take your whatever this is and shape it to a shape that you want. I'm gonna just cut halfway because like I won't be needing that much. So to match that notebook, I'm going to be using this pink one to match the gold, and I'm going to shape it into a heart. So I'm just gonna start off like a circle. I'm gonna bend this part in, make this part sharp. That you can make this into anything you want. So I'm gonna bend this. Okay, so now it's kind of like a heart. I would say that's pretty good. It's kind of hard to do this. So anyways, the next step is just want to take this the other half and just wrap it around. If you wanted to make this like very big, then you probably need two, but I'm not making it too big, so I just need one. Anyways, now you want to grab your pencil, put the heart where you want. And in my case, I want it to be like this, like in this place. Then you're just gonna put your thumb at the end, like to the heart, and then you're just gonna wrap the rest around. Okay. And then I'm just going to do one more so that the eraser is in front. Of course, you can also have your heart in front. But I'm just going to put mine in the back so it's secured. And that is it. That is how you make a very nice pencil. Oops, sorry about that. I love this pencil. It's so cute, and it's just like, I love to feel this. It's so soft. So like when you're writing, you can just, when you get kind of frustrated or something, you can just feel this. I love this feeling. I don't know about you guys, so leave me in the comments down below if you just love to feel these soft stuff. That is how you can make a very nice little pencil that has a heart on top. So for this next DIY, you'll need like a rectangular box like this that that opens and closes. You'll need some jewels and a glue stick. You can use hot glue or just regular white Elmer's glue or any glue that will stick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few of these jewels and I'm just going to stick it onto this box. This is a very simple DIY that you can make at home. So this thing doesn't really stick that well, but it works okay, so I'll just deal with it. You can decorate it however you like. It's pretty simple. So yeah. Oops, stick fell. I'm just gonna stick it, and you really can, this is like the easiest DIY you can ever do. Of course there might be other stuff, but it's just an expression, you get it. So I'm just gonna keep sticking on these little jewels. You can even like make little things yourself, like you can use that soft thing that, I can't remember what it's called. Those things we made, never mind, forget about that. I can't remember. Oh my goodness. So again, I'll just keep on, this one's moving. Just sticking these little glues on. Jewels, you can even like use like Sharpies and decorate it. This is just an awesome, simple DIY, and it makes this very pretty. Alright, and you're pretty much done. This is just a pencil case. It's amazing. I just love this DIY. It's so pretty. And you can make it yourself. I'm pretty sure you have lots of jewels or anything that you can just stick onto the plain box that you can make into awesome pencil case. And that is it. Well, for this DIY. I hope you enjoy this video. I just absolutely love all the DIYs. They're very easy and they're useful. And they're also very pretty, of course. So if you want me to do any more school DIYs or anything like this, just leave it down in the comments below. So I hope you like it, and if you do, click that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up. And if you made these DIYs, one of them, just also leave it down in the comments below. So I'll see you guys next time. I can't wait for you to see my next video too. See ya. Bye-bye.